Hi, I'm Jal, and this is XYZ Vlog, the vlog where I take you on my journey as a YouTuber that started from zero and that shares his tips and tricks and insights that he learned during his journey. So yeah, please let me know if there's anything you want to know, and let's jump right into the video of today. Today I want to address 2 points. I didn't manage to upload or to film, edit, and upload the videos I wanted to do this weekend, and I had a good excuse for it. Basically, I had to travel into to Germany to meet some people, and the problem with that was that I used it as an excuse to not do my videos. I was gone for around 2 days, so it was the 2 days I usually film and edit the stuff, and yeah, so I didn't do the videos, and it got me thinking. I want to be able to deliver the videos I promised to you guys because I take this not lightly. It's a certain responsibility if you decide to post on a weekly basis, and also to sustain basically your fan base and be sustainable in as a producer. Yeah. So there are 2 things regarding this I wanted to tackle. First of all, why didn't I do it? It was clearly not having time. And not having time is another way of saying not having priority. So the first question is how to prioritize YouTube videos. And the second part is how can I produce videos when I'm in an airplane, in a train, at a friend's house or whatever. So what can I do to optimize my production no matter where I am? If I don't have the mic, the camera, the lights, how can I do it? So I was thinking, and for the first part, I don't know where I read it, but the thing with having no time is a lack of priority. It really is true that when you prioritize, or if something is important for you, you'll do it. So how can videos be more in focus? And I was thinking, and that goes a little bit into the second point, I was thinking, and for me, it's basically having everything ready so that I just have to sit down and be in front of the camera, because I love doing this. I love the editing part, and I love the uploading part and the research part, but writing is very hard. So it's my bottleneck, basically. And if you don't know what a bottleneck is when that's when in a certain process of a company or of like video production or whatever, what kind of process, you have one point that is actually the point where all the information gets slowed down, or all the whole process is slowed down. And for me, it's the writing. So I found out for myself last week that I have to write in bulk. I have to dedicate one day just for writing, and I will try to not only write the thing I want to film on the weekend, but I will also try to write the things I want to write afterwards, so that I basically can sit down a few times and already have the videos ready or the scripts ready for multiple videos. So yeah, that was my thinking, and I kind of got around to it. I didn't do the videos, but I wrote 2 scripts already, and I will continue this week with writing them, and then I will try to start a regular schedule. The schedule I wanted to do: Friday a news video, Saturday a deep dive video, and Sunday a vlog. This is what I want to do. And I think for myself, before I can tackle the marketing of my videos and posting it to groups or collaborating with other people, I have to really find out for myself what's the best process of doing these videos, and how can I establish a process where I can do them for a long period of time without having to take out too much time. In the contrary, how can I produce them by taking less and less time, still while keeping the quality, of course. So yeah, this was my thought. And then the first thing I thought about was being able to produce anywhere I go. Since I use an iPad Pro on the daily with an Apple Pen and everything. Yep. I thought, of course, about this masterclass object thing. Like, it's just crazy. You have so many software, so many apps on there which really are powerful and take good use of the hardware. So I looked into Premiere Rush. It's basically Premiere, but on a very light, in a very light manner, where you can edit clips, trim clips, add some transitions, change the size and scale and position of clips, and I will from now on do my videos on there if I cannot come across my set that I have here when I want to produce. So for example, next weekend I'm traveling to the mountains and I will be there for 3 days and I will not be able to record this. So what I can do is either record before or I can record there, and I will do both. And the way I'm gonna do it is by hooking up a mic to the iPad, because the quality is for me the number one priority in this whole thing. And I will film in 4K as well. And yeah, for this setup, I thought about doing the whole process of it. I thought of documenting it and maybe giving it, putting it in a video, like a, let's say XYZ tips video. And this XYZ tips video could be something where I share some practical insights for people. And this ties again into what exactly I want to do with this channel. I want to be able to show people what exactly they can do online and learn stuff while being online and trying to grow in different manners. Be it learning about history, be it learning or asking yourself questions, or seeing news stories from another angle, or having, for example, these vlogs where I try to document the process of getting better on YouTube, you know? And now this XYZ tips, I don't know, tips and tricks, I don't know. I'll see what I will do. I will have to do another animation and another jingle for it, but I'm really motivated to do this kind of thing and do like a top 5 video, top 5 tips to produce video on the go or something. So yeah, keep a lookout for that in the next few weeks. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this video and what I try to share here. If you have any questions about being a YouTuber, starting a YouTube journey, the videos, the gear, please let me know in the description down below. I will always answer everything in the next 24 hours. And yeah, like if you liked, like if you learned something, and have a nice one.